In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw walls in Planner 5D. So to do this, you want to click on the build menu over here on the left. So click on this house icon. And from here, you want to click on draw walls. Now, right now you can go and of course draw whatever you want. You can draw inside your rooms, outside of rooms, and of course on the edges as well. So for example, if I want to add like a room up here, I can just click and then click again, and then again, and then it's going to make corners, okay? So that way I'm actually drawing walls just like this. And of course, as you can see, I can then snap them together and press or just like this, or press the enter key, and that's going to of course add the wall. So I can also like do something which is not finished, so it's not going to be a room. So I could do something like this, for example, and I can press the enter key on my keyboard, and I just have the walls just like that, okay? You could also do it here inside your rooms. So if I go over here and then click on draw walls, I can attach it to already existing walls by clicking on them, and then just basically clicking and dragging wherever I want the rooms to be. So for example, let's say the walls are going to be like this weird over here, and then when I come to the end, I can simply press the enter key on my keyboard or the escape key in the top left of the keyboard, and that's gonna add the walls, okay? So that's essentially how to draw walls, and then you can always check how they look inside your 3D mode. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.